Hello everyone and welcome back to the CodeChef platform. Today we are diving deeper into variables in C++. Not just how to use them, but also how to work with them efficiently. We'll cover everything from multiple variable declarations to typecasting, both implicit and explicit. And we'll also look at variable scope, block level and global level. Basically, by the end of this video, you'll know how to manage variables in C++ like a pro. Let's start with float and double. In C++, float and double are used to store decimal or floating point numbers. They allow us to work with numbers that have a fractional part, unlike integer types like int, long, etc. The float data type is used to store single precision decimal numbers. It usually takes 4 bytes or 32 bits of memory, and it can store values approximately from 3.4 into 10 raised to the power minus 38 to 3.4 into 10 raised to the power 38. And usually it's accurate up to 6 to 7 decimal points. Its syntax is float price is equal to 99.99 semicolon. Here float is the data type, price is the name of the variable, then is equal to is the assignment operator, and 99.99 is the value assigned to the variable price, and then semicolon to end the statement. Now the next data type is double. The double data type is used to store double precision decimal numbers. It usually takes 8 bytes or 64 bits of memory. It can store values approximately from 1.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 308 to 1.7 into 10 raised to the power 308. And usually it's accurate up to 15 to 16 decimal digits. It is the most commonly used type for decimal numbers in C++ due to its higher precision. Now talking about the syntax, double balance is equal to 12,345.6789 semicolon. So here double is the data type, then balance is the name of the variable, is equal to is the assignment operator, and the value of the variable balance is 12,345.6789. Now here we have a new concept, that is precision. Precision means the number of digits shown before and after the decimal point in a number, and the precision for float data type is up to 6 to 7 digits, while the precision for double data type is up to 15 to 16 digits. In C++, we can use the set precision function from the IOmanip library to control decimal output in C++. Okay, now we are going to go to the CodeChef platform to see an example to learn the use of data type float and double, and also to see how to use the set precision function in C++. Here the program objective is monitoring ocean research data, and the expected output is average ocean temperature : 22.37 degrees Celsius, deepest recorded depth : 10,994.567891 meters. Now coming to the code, hash include IOstream, then hash include IOmanip. Why? Because we are going to use the set precision function in this program, that is why we need to add this header file. Then using namespace std semicolon int main. Now inside int main, float average ocean temperature is equal to 22.3744 f semicolon. Here the data type for this variable is float. The name of the variable is average ocean temperature, then assignment operator, and the value assigned to average ocean temperature is 22.3744 f. Next, double deepest recorded depth is equal to 10,994.5678914 semicolon. Here the data type is double, variable name is deepest recorded depth, and its value is this. Alright, then Cout insertion operator in double inverted commas average ocean temperature colon, then insertion operator set precision. Now inside set precision function we have inserted the value 4, then average ocean temperature. So this will print the value of the variable average ocean temperature, but because we have written 4 inside precision, so the value of the variable average ocean temperature will be printed in 4 digits only, which means the value will be 22.37. 44F will not be printed in the output. Then Cout in double inverted commas deepest recorded depth colon, then insertion operator set precision 11, then the value of variable deepest recorded depth. Again, since we have written 11 here, so the value of deepest recorded depth variable will be printed in 11 digits. So 5 are before the decimal point and 6 will be taken after. So it will be 10,994.56789 and 1. Then in double inverted commas meters and ENDL, return 0 semicolon and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Average ocean temperature colon 22.37 degrees Celsius. Why is it 22.37? Because in set precision we wrote 4, so that is why the output is printed in 4 digits. Similarly, deepest recorded depth colon 10,994.56789 meters, which is exactly similar to the expected output. The next data type is char. The char data type is used to store single characters such as letters, digits or symbols. It is one of the most basic data types and is commonly used for storing text one character at a time. Its memory size is usually 1 byte or 8 bits. Talking about its range, it can store a single character based on the ASCII table, values from 0 to 255 for unsigned char and -128 to 127 for signed char. When I talk about value, a char can store letters like A, B, digits like 0, then punctuation marks like exclamation, comma, or any other single symbol. Coming to the syntax of this data type, char grade is equal to, in single inverted commas, A and semicolon. So here char is the data type, grade is the name of the variable, assignment operator, and then A is the value assigned to the variable grade. Now let's go to the CodeChef platform and see an example where we use the data type char. The objective of this program is displaying product category code, and the expected output is product category colon E, currency symbol colon $. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream using namespace std. Int main char category code is equal to, in single inverted commas, E semicolon. Char is the data type of the variable, category code, this is the variable name and assignment operator, then E is the value assigned to the variable category code. Char currency symbol is equal to, in single inverted commas, $ and semicolon. So this is another variable of type char and its value is $. Cout insertion operator in double inverted commas product category colon category code. So the value of variable category code will be printed, and again ENDL to get the cursor in a new line. Then Cout in double inverted commas category symbol, then currency symbol and ENDL, return 0 bracket close. Now let us click the submit button to see the output of this program. So here product category colon E. So product category, this is printed as it is, and category code, the value of this variable is E. Similarly, currency symbol colon dollar. So currency symbol is printed as it is, and then the value of variable currency symbol is dollar, which is printed here. And this output is exactly similar to the output that is given in the program objective. The next data type is string. The string data type is used to store a sequence of characters. When we want to use the data type string, we need to use the header string or IO stream in the program. This data type can store letters, numbers, spaces and symbols, and it supports many built-in functions for manipulating the text, like finding the length, concatenation or comparison between strings. Coming to the syntax, as I told you, we have to include the header string or IO stream. So here we have written hash includes string, and then string variable name is equal to hello in double inverted commas and semicolon. So here string is the data type, then variable name is equal to is the assignment operator, and the value of the variable name is hello, then semicolon. Now let's see how to use the data type string with the help of an example on the CodeChef platform. Storing and displaying book. This is the objective of the program, and the expected output is book title colon The Great Gatsby and author F. Scott Fitzgerald. Okay, coming to the code. Hash include IO stream. So we have discussed that whenever we want to use the data type string, we have to include either the header file string or IO stream. Then using namespace std semicolon int main, string book title is equal to, then in double inverted commas, The Great Gatsby and semicolon. So why have we written this value in double inverted commas? Because the data type of the variable book title is string. Then string author is equal to, again in double inverted commas, F. Scott Fitzgerald and then semicolon. So this is the second variable of type string. Cout in double inverted commas book title colon, then insertion operator, then value of variable book title and endl. Then cout in double inverted commas author colon, insertion operator, then value of variable author will be printed, and then endl returns 0 semicolon and main function ends here. Let's click the submit button to see the output. Okay, so output is book title The Great Gatsby and author F. Scott Fitzgerald, which is exactly similar to the expected output. Last but not the least is the Bool data type. In C++, the Bool data type is used to store boolean values which can be either true or false. It is commonly used in decision making, loops and conditions. The memory size used by this data type is usually 1 byte. It can store two values, either true, which represents logical true, or false, which represents logical false. It is often used to control program flow while using if, while or for statements. Coming to the syntax of this data type, bool is student is equal to true semicolon. So here bool is the data type, is student. This is the variable name, assignment operator, true. It is the value which we have assigned to the variable is student, and then semicolon. Then bool is pass is equal to false semicolon. So again bool is the data type, is passed is the variable name, is equal to is the assignment operator, and false is the value assigned to the variable is passed and semicolon. Now let's go to the CodeChef platform and see a program that uses data type bool. The objective of this program is checking light status, and the expected output is the light on, question mark and 1. Coming to the code, Hash include IOStream using namespace std semicolon, then int main. Now inside int main, bool is light on is equal to true semicolon. So here bool is the data type, is light on is the variable name, and the value assigned to this variable is true, because a variable whose data type is bool can have only two values, either true or false. Then cout is the light on, and then value of the variable is light on will be printed. So here, because the value of is light on variable is true, so here in the output you will see 1 printed, and if we write false here, then the value of is light on will be printed as 0. Then endl return 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. Now let us run the code. Is the light on question mark and 1. So is the light on, this is printed as it is from here, and the value of is light on variable is 1 because we have declared it as true. So today we explored multiple variable declarations, learned about typecasting, both implicit and explicit, and saw how variable scope works from block level to global level. These are essential tools to make your C++ program cleaner, smarter, and more efficient. Remember, practice is the key. Try these concepts on the CodeChef platform to polish your coding skills. Thank you so much for watching.